विकरा ओरा
पराम्बरं ददाने
प्रपूर्ण कुल कृष्ण
नाब्जं विजया सखे रतिरस्तु मे अनवद्या. You got almost this one also.
Mataji, look at this.
Yudi turagarajo
Yudi
Tiragarajo
vidumra visva
Vidumra Vishvat
Yudi turagarajo
Yudi Tiragarajo
Tiragarajo
vidumra visva
Vidumra Vishvat
kacha lulita
Kacha Lulita
Ramavarya
Sramavaya
Alankritasye
Alankritasye
Kachalulita Sramavarya Alankritasya
Kajan
Kuchalulita
Kucha Lulita
Sramavarya
Sramavarya
Alankritasye
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 Mama Nisita Sarair
Mama
Yamanishita
Vividyamana
Prividyamana
Vachi Vilasat
Vachi Vilasat
Kavachestu Krishnatma
Kavachest Krishna
Tvachi Vilasat
Vachi Vilasat
Kavachestu Krishnatma.
Tavaseshu Krishna Atma.
Our next one, okay? You almost got two sloka, this one also. Sapadi Sakhi Vajo
Sapadi
Shaki
Madhye Sapadi Sakhi Vajo Samya Madhye Nija Parayor Balayoratham Nivesya Balayoratham Nivesya Istitavati Para Ainikayo Rakshana
Mataji, your voice is echoing.
Yeah, it's breaking.
Rita Vati Partha Ratir Mamastu. After some time again we'll practice, okay?
Mute yourself.
You want to go next? Anybody want to try? Last?
This is Shubhadra and Giridhari.
Yes, Subhadra and Giridhari. Go ahead.
Can we start in the beginning?
Yes, yes.
श्रीभीष्मा उवाच इति मतिरुपकल्पितवृत्तिष्णा भगवती सा प्रतापपुङ्गवे विभुम्नि स्वशुकमुपगते क्वचिद् विहर्तुं प्रकृतिमुपेयुषि यद्भावप्रवाहः त्रिभुवनगमनं तमालवर्णं रविकरघोरवरं ददाने वपुरवेतनाभज्यं विजयाशकेरति अस्तु मे अनवद्या युदितुरगरजा विदुमभिष्वाक् पचालयिता शर्वाय अलौकितास्ये ममादिजितशयितमैतमाना वाचि विलासा कवचेस्तु कृष्णात्मा सपदि सखी वाच निशम्य माद्ये निजपरायोर्वलयोरथं गवेष्ये सीतावती परा सैनिकायोरक्षणा रीतावती पार्थ शकेरति ममास्तु। Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much. Who want to go next? Danavi and then you. Okay.
Itimatir ulpaka ve Krishna Bhagavata sa tapanga ve vivani sasukam upakate kwaja vihaitum prakritim viyoje upayuji yat bhavavam Trivakamalam tama raparam rabikarakoram varam dadane vapuralakam kalavretananam sakelati astaminavata Arudi kalakalaja turagalaja Yedum Ravishwa Chalita
Karya Alankritasya
Mamanishita
Saraya Vasi Bilasat Kavachestu Krishna Atman. Next, Sapadi Sakhi. Sapadi Sakhi Vatsu Nisam Madhya Sapadi
Sapade Sakhivajo Nisham Namade Nija Paraya Balam Samvimesham
चाहिए आपको मैं सिखाऊं मैं नहीं मैं खाली पकाने आपको
Yes, Gayatri, want to go? Who want to go?
पूरी बनाई है मैं मछली
Last one. Gayatri, you want to go?
कैसे बनी
Yes,
है?
go ahead.
Bhishma Vacha Iti Materopakalpita Vitrishna
अलबनी नहीं है
Tatapanga Vibhumni Swasukam
ये लो ये
Vachid Vihatam Prakritim
हाँ
Pavaha
जैसे पहले
Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamalavarnam Avikara Gauravaram Varam Nadane Vapuralaka Kulavritananabjam Vijaya Sakeratir Astu Me Anavadya Yudi Turagaraja Vidam Ravishwak Kacharita Shramavariya Alankritasya Mamani Sarai Vibhyamana त्वाची विलासात् कवचेस्तु कृष्णात्मा सपदि सखीवचो निशम्य मध्ये निजापरायोर्बलयोरतं निवेश्य स्थितावती परासानिको रक्षणा हितावती पार्थ सखेरतिर्ममास्तु.
Very nice, Gayatri. Anybody want to try? Anybody?
Can I go, Mataji, Vitra?
Who is this?
Vitra?
Yes, yes.
Vibhishma Vacha Itimati Rupakara Pita Vitrishna Bhagavati Satvita Pungave Vivumbi Sasukam Upagate Quachit Vihartum Bhagatim Upayusiyadava Prabhava Tribhuvanakana Ravikarakaravarambaram Tadane Vapuralakakula Vritananacham Vijaya Sakhiratirastume Navaidya
Good job,
Yudhi Karakarajo Visha Kachalavitashramapayam Kritasya Mama Yishitashare Vibhitimana Tvachi Vilasai Kavachestu Krishna. Thank you, Mataji. Mataji, can Mukund go? Mataji, can Prahlad go?
Yes, Mukunda want to go and then Prahlad. Yes, Mukunda go.
Yes, Mataji. Shri Bhishma Ovacha Itimatirupakαλpitavitrishnā Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni Swasukham Upagate Kvachir Vihartam Prakritim Upayosi Yadbhava Pravaha Tribhuvanakamanam Tamalavarnam Ravikaragoravarabaram Dadhane Vapuralaka Kulavritanamjam Vijaya Sakhiratirastu me Navadya. Yudhitaragrajo vidhumra vishvak Kachalulita Shamavarya Lankritasya Mama Nishita Sharvidhim Dyamana Tachi Vilasat Kavachestu Krishna Atma. Hare Krishna.
Sapadi last week.
Oh yeah. Sapadi Sakhiva Janisham Yamadhe Nija Parayar Balayoratam Niveshya Stetavati Parasainika Rakshana Hritavati Partha Sakhiratir Mamastu. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Thank you so much.
Mukund, can you please share your audio in the group, please?
Yes, Mataji.
Please, I'll be waiting for it. Thank you, Mukund. It was so nice.
Prahlad, yes, Prahlad.
Okay, Mataji. Shri Bhishma Vacha Itimati Rupakalpita Vritrishna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni Swasukam Upagate Kvachid Vihartum Prakritim Upayase Yadbhava Paraha Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamalavarnam Ravikara Gauravarambaram Dadane Vapuralaka Kulavritanabjam विजय सके रतिरस्तु मे न भद्रे विश्वाकाचालुलित श्रमवार्यलङ्कृतस्य मामानिषित सरैर्विविद्यमाना त्वाचि विलास कवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा सपदि सखिवच निशमाय मध्ये निज परोयोरबलाय रतं निवेश्य स्थितावती पारसैनिकायो रक्षाण विद्वाद पार्थ सकरतिर्ममस्तु। Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Prahlad. Anybody want to try the sloka? Okay, you all repeat after me, and then
Okay, Mataji. Okay, Mataji.
this sloka is
Yes,
very,
Mataji.
I think it's a very difficult for the small kids still for them to memorize. Yeah, they can practice with me. Okay, they can repeat. Shri Vishma Vacha
Shri Bhishma Vacha
Iti Matirupkalpita Vitrishna
Iti Matirupkalpita Vitrishna
Bhagavati Satvate Pungave Vibhumi
Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni
Pagate Kvachit Vihartum
Swasukham Napagate Kachid Vihartam
Prakitim Upeyusi Yadbhava Pravaha
Prakritam Nupayosi Yadbhava Pravaha.
Brinda, can you repeat now? Okay, both of you, Janvi and Brinda, okay? Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamala Varnam
Tribhuvana Kamana
Ravikara Varam Dadane Vapur Alaka Kulavritananavsam
Vapuralaka Kulavritananamzam
Vijaya Sakheratir
Vijaya Sakhirati
Astu Me Anavadya
Astu Me Navadya
Vapur Alaka Kulavritananavsam
Vapuralaka Kulavritananamzam
Vijaya Sakheratir Astu Me Anavadya
Vijaya Sakhirati Me Navadya
Yudi Turagarajo Vidumra Viswak
Yudhitiragarajo Vidhumra Vishvak
Yudi Turagarajo Vidumra Viswak
Yudhitiragarajo Vidhumra Vishvak
Vacha Lulita Samavarya
Vacha Lalita Shamavarya
Alankritasya
Alankritasya
Mama Nisita Sarair
Mama Nishita Sarar
Vividyamana
Vividyamana
Mama Nisita Sarair
Mama Nishita Sarar Vividyamana
Swasi Vilasad
Vachi Vilasat
Kavatestu Krishna Atma
Kavachestu Krishna Atma
Okay, last week slogan. Sapadi sakhi vacho
Sapadi sakhi vacho
samya madhe.
Nishamya madhye
Sapadi sakhi vacho
Sapadi sakhi vacho
nisamya madhe.
Nishamya madhye
Nida parayor
Nija parayor
Ratham nivesya
Kayoratam niveshya
Iskitavati para
Yatavati para
Sainikayor aksana
Nikayorakshana
Sainikayor aksana
Nikayorakshana
Sitavati partha
Chetavati partha
Sakheratir mamastu.
Namastu.
Okay, we'll go to the today's sloka and then before ending we do one more time revision and then I hope you will get okay.
Mataji, can I do the Kunti prayers?
Not, yeah, if you want you can practice together later on.
Hello, Bimar.
Now we
Wow.
are 9.36. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go to word by word. Vevahita is standing at a distance.
Devahita standing at a distance.
Pritana
Pritana,
soldiers.
soldiers,
Mukham are faces.
Mukam faces.
Niraksha by looking upon. Sojana kingsman. Vadat from the act of killing. Vimukshaya one who is reluctant. Dosa buddhaya by polluted intelligence. Kumatim for fond of knowledge.
Fund of knowledge.
Aharat
Aharat.
eradicated. Atma vidyaya by transcendental knowledge. Yaha he who sarana to the feet. Rati attraction. Paramasya of the supreme.
The supreme.
Tasya for him. May my astu let there be. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. When Arjuna was seemingly polluted by ignorance upon observing the soldiers, commanders before him on the battlefield, the Lord eradicated his ignorance by delivering transcendental knowledge.
by delivering transcendental knowledge.
May his lotus feet always remain
May his lotus feet always remain
object of my attraction.
The object
object of my attraction.
What kind of transcendental knowledge he delivered? Do you know?
No. Attraction?
Here it says, when Arjuna was seemingly polluted by ignorance upon observing the soldiers and commanders before him on the battlefield, the Lord eradicated his ignorance by delivering transcendental knowledge. Which transcendental knowledge? Do you know? Anybody want to
The
tell?
Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita.
Yes, Bhagavad Gita. Yes, Arjuna was.
Bhagavad Gita.
Yes,
Bhagavad Gita.
Arjuna was so confused. He don't want to fight with his. He could not fight with his relatives, his grandfather, great grandfather.
He can't fight with anybody in his family who is very, very bad because that they're part of his family and he doesn't want them to die.
Yes, he didn't want to kill
His family.
Bhishma Dev, his guru Dronacharya. Yes.
Yeah, but Krishna was
That
bad.
time Arjuna was so bewildered, and Arjuna tell Krishna, I don't want to fight with my family members. What kind of duty is this? And then he put his Gandiva in the ground, and he was so married, he was so confused what to do. He was a Kshatriya, he's supposed to fight. Yes, that time Kshatriya used to, they're supposed to fight, they're supposed to do their Kshatriya dharma, but he was so confused, and Krishna had to deliver this transcendental knowledge of Bhagavad Gita. Tomorrow is Gita Jayanti. How many of you know?
I know.
Yes, Gita Jayanti.
I know, Mataji. This is Shubhadrangi.
Yes, I think Deepika Mataji want to do all the kids, they can come and say the sloka. Tomorrow we have a special program for the kids. Yeah, they will recite the sloka. Some of you may knew. Some of
Mataji, do you need what's happening tomorrow?
will have a Gita recitation by the kids. Okay, Mataji will send
What
the
day is
flyer.
tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Mataji, tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow is a Gita Jayanti, I think.
Yeah.
And then they will have some program for the kids also.
And fun. We're gonna have fun. Are we gonna do any crafts?
Okay, we'll go to the now today's sloka. We'll go and see and learn. Okay. Bevahita pritana. Bevahita.
Bevahita pritana.
Everyone. Okay. Bevahita pritana.
Devahita pratana. Mukham niriksha.
Devahita pritana mukham niriksha.
Devahita pratana. Mukham niriksha.
Devahita pritana mukham niriksha.
Mukham niriksha.
Dojanabadad. Dojanabadad.
Janavadhad.
Vimoksya dosa buddhaya.
Vimoksha dosha sabuddhaya.
Vimoksya dosa buddhaya.
Vimoksha bhoksa modhaya.
Dojanabadad.
Achandra pradana.
Dojanabadad. विमुक्ष्य दोषबुद्धया
विमुक्षदोषबुद्धया
विमुक्ष्य दोषबुद्धया
विमुक्षदोषबुद्धया
विवाहितप्रीतना मुखं निरीक्ष्य विवाहितप्रीतना मुखं निरीक्ष्य सोजानवधात् विमुक्ष्य दोषबुद्धया
विमुक्षदोषबुद्धया
कुमतिम् अहरात् कुमतिम् अहरात् कुमतिम् अहरात् आत्मा विद्याययास् आत्मा विद्याययास्
आत्मविद्याययास्
आत्मा विद्याययास् कुमतिम् अहरादात्मा
नारादात्मा
विद्याययास्
विद्याययास्
विवाहितप्रीतना मुखं निरीक्ष्य
विवाहितप्रीतना मुखं निरीक्ष्य
विवाहितप्रीतना मुखं निरीक्ष्य
विवाहितप्रीतना मुखं निरीक्ष्य
सोजानवधात् विमुक्ष्या दोषबुद्धया
विमुक्षया दोषबुद्धया
कुमतिम् अहरत् आत्मा
कुमतिमहरदात्मा
विद्याययास् शरणारति
शरणारति शरणारति
परमस्य तस्य मेस्तु
परमस्य
तस्य मेस्तु
परमस्य
तस्य मेस्तु
परमस्य
परमस्य तस्य मेस्तु
परमस्य
तस्य मेस्तु
तस्य मेस्तु
विवाहितप्रीतना मुखं निरीक्ष्य
विवाहितप्रीतना मुखं निरीक्ष्य
विवाहितप्रीतना मुखं निरीक्ष्य
सोजानवदात्
विमुक्ष्य दोषबुद्धया
विमुक्षदोषबुद्धया
Umatim aharat
Umatimamaharat
Atma vidyayas
Atmavidyaya
Saranarati paramasya
Saranarati Paramasya
Tasya mestu. Okay, we'll go to from the again beginning. Devahita pritana mukham niritsya
Vedahita Mukum Ikshaya
Devahita pritana mukham niritsya Devahita
Devahita Pitana Mukum Ikshaya
Sojana badhat
Sojanavadat
Vimuksya dosa buddhaya
Vimoksha dosha buddhaya
Umatim aharadatma
Pumatim Maharadatma
Vidyayas
Vidyaya
Saranarati
Saranarati
Paramasya tasya mestu.
Naramasya tasya mestu.
Okay, anybody want to try? One by one. They can.
Mataji, can Mukund go?
Yes, Mukund, yes. One by one. Jahnavi. Yes, Jahnavi, Mukunda, Subhadra, Agidhari, Balavrinda.
After Janvi, can Balavrinda go?
Yes, yes, yes. Mukunda, you go.
Yes, Mataji. Vyayahita pratanamukham nirikshya Swajanavadha vimukhasya dosha buddha Kumati maharat atmavidyayas Charanarati paramasya tasya mestu. Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Thank you.
Mataji, can Prahlad go?
Yes, Prahlad, yes.
Yavahita pratana mukum ninakshya svajanavadad vimuksha dosha buddhyaya kumate maharadatma vidyaya charanarati paramasya tasya mestu.
Thank you, Prahlad. Yes, who want to go now? With Subhadra Giridhar. Subhadra Giridhar, yes. Okay, you want to do after me? Okay. Yeah.
I want to do.
Yes, Jahnavi, okay. Devahita
Vetana
Mukam Nirexya Sojana Badhat Vimuksya dosa buddhaya Kumatim aharat Atma Vidyaya Saranarati Paramasya Tasya mestu. Thank you, Jahnavi. Now, yes, Brinda.
Balavrinda. Yeah, Mataji, can I repeat with you all the slokas from the new sloka? Can I repeat with you, Mataji, so I'll get practice? How about 3 times all the new slokas with you, Mataji, so I'll get practice?
Yes, Brinda, yes. Devahita pritana Mukam niritsya
Mukam nivreshya
Sojanavadad.
Sojanavadad.
Vimuksya dosa buddhaya.
Vimuksayasya Raghuda.
Kumatim aharad.
Kumatim
Atma vidyayas. Atma vidyayas.
Vishwas.
Saranarati.
Sharanarati.
Paramasya tasya mestu. Thank you, Vrinda. Yes, Tushita want to go. Yes, Tushita. Yes, go ahead. I could not hear you, Tushita. Can you unmute yourself? Yes, go ahead now.
Now I can say it.
Want to do it with me? Okay.
What do you want to say?
Pritana. Vyava. Mukham. Niriksha. Swajana. Vadhat. Vimuksya dosha buddhaya. Dosha buddhaya. Kumantam. Aharat. Atma vidhyayas. Charanarathi. Paramasya tasya mestu.
Thank you, Tushita. It's so nice. Thank you. Yes, Subhadra and Giridhari.
Can I do the repetition, Mataji? Hare Krishna, Mataji. Vyavahita pritana mukham niriksha swajana vimuksha dosha buddhaya kumatam adad amma vidaya charana rati paramasya tasya mestu. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much. It's very nice. Anybody want to try?
Can I start from the beginning?
Gayatri, yes. Gayatri, yes.
Can I start? Gayatri already said.
So Gayatri didn't say this sloka. Before sloka she did, yes. Gayatri, go ahead.
The first word.
Yes.
I don't know the first word that well.
Oh, Vevahita Pritana.
Evahita pritana mukam niriksya swajana vadat vimuksaya dosha buddhya kumatim aharat atam yati param tasya mestu.
Thank you so much. Okay, this sloka is little hard, yes, for the small kids, and that's why we are repeating again and again. And also, this in the YouTube there is a singing version. I am not teaching in singing version. It's very hard to memorize. Later on, how you want to sing is up to you. Okay, that's why when we do
Yes,
the sloka
Mataji.
way, it's very we do the sloka way. It's very easy to memorize. That's why I'm going through the sloka way. But if you go and find in YouTube Bhisma prayers, all the singing, how all the devotees they sings very nicely. When you know the word, it will be easy for you to sing also. Yes, you can all repeat after me again. Yes. Harry Bol, anybody want to try?
Bala Vrinda wants to try.
Yes, Brinda. Yes, go ahead.
Mataji with you. Okay, I'll do Shri Bhishma Vacha. Shri Bhishma Vacha. Iti Madirupakalvida Vidrishna. Bhagavati Sattvatah Pungave Vibhumni. Susukam Kvachit Vihartum Prakutim Vyayusi Yat Pravaha Tribhunmaha Kamalam Tamanavarnam Bravikara Gora
Varam.
Dadami Rapurna Naka Kula Krishna
Kulavrita nanabzam. Kulavrita nanabzam.
Nanajam
Bijaya sakheratir.
Astunye Ananya
Anavadya.
Anavadya. Next Mataji.
Yes.
Next Loka
Third
Mataji.
sloka.
What's
Third
in
sloka. Yes, everyone they can repeat. Yes, okay. Yudi turagarajo. Yes. See.
Yudhi Kulakarajo Dam Navishwa
Kocha lulita. Samavarya alan kritasye. Mama nisita sarair. Mama Vividyamana. Twachi vilasat. Kavachestu Krishna Atma.
Kavachestu Krishna Atma.
Okay. Sapadi Sakhi Vacho.
Sapadi Sakhi Vacho Vidum
Vidamya Madhye. Nija Parayor. Layoratham Nivesya. Ratham. Istitavati para. Istitavati para. Istitavati para. Saitikayor akshana. Hritavati. Hritavati partha. Sakhe ratir mamastu. When we repeat every week, we can get okay. It's not hard. Anybody want to try 5 all the slokas? Okay, Janavi want to try. Okay. Okay, Janavi. Raise your hand. Okay. Yeah.
Krishna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vivamni Yosakam Pakatim Kate Vihaitam Pakatim Vihayuti Yadava Prabhavam
Okay.
Tribhuvanam Tamalavanna Rabikara Korambaram Varam Dadane Vapuralakam Kuravretananam
Vijaya
Virtaya Sakaratirasumeyanavaya
Okay, you did Turaga.
Yudi Karakara Joritam Naveshlat Kacha Lalita
Sramavarya.
Samavarya Alankritasya
Mama Nisita Sarai.
Mama Nisita
Sarai.
Saharer
Vivid.
Vivedamaravja
Twachi Bilasa.
Vacher Vilasya
Prabhatistu.
Javakistu Karismatma
Okay, next. Sapati Sakhi.
Sapati Sakivajo Nisamramate Nija Parayo Balayo Radam Nivesha Stita Pari
Istitavati para.
Stiti Para
Sainikayo.
Sarika Rakshana
Hritavati Partha.
Ritavati Partha
Sakheratir Mama.
Samakirati Mamastu
Last sloka, okay?
Lash
Yeah. Beva
Deva
Hita Pritana Mukam. Sojana Vada.
Sojana Avatar
Sojana Vadat.
Avatar
No, Vadhat.
Avatar
Vimuksya dosa buddhaya.
Vimaksha Sajaya
Vimuksya dosa buddhaya. Dosa
Dosaya
buddhaya.
Buddhaya
Mumatim aharadatma.
Gamate Mamatma
Vidhaya. Vidyaya.
Jaya
Saranarati Paramasya. Saranarati
Taranarate
Paramasya Tasya Mestu.
Paramasatistu
Done. Thank you. Anybody want to try?
Go now.
Anybody want?
Can I try with you?
Who is this?
Gidani.
Yes, Girdhar. Yes. Yeah.
Shri Vishma Uvacha Iti Mati Upakalpita Bhagavati Sadvata Pungave Vihuni Tasukam Bhagati Kachin Vihato Bhagitin Papayusi Alava Pavaha Kamanam Tamalavanam Dvavikava Govavam Dadane Vapulokam Kulavedama Vaja Vijaya Shakae Rati Astume Anandavya
Anavadya.
Yudi Tunaganaja Vidoma Vishwa Kacha Lalita Samavaya Ankitache Mama Nishita Bibita Mana
Twachi Vilasa.
Tuachi Vilasat Kacha
Kavachestu.
Kavadestu Krishna Atma Kavadi Saki Vacha Nisham Mamadde Nija Pavaya Balaya Vata Manishya Niveshya
Samnivesita. Istitavati. Sainikayur Aksana.
Sainika Alu Akshana Hitavati Partha Sakare Adi Mamastu
Devahita Pritana.
Devati Kritam
Mukham Nilaksha.
Yasha
Sojanavadhat.
Sajavadada
Vimuksya dosa buddhaya. Matim aharad.
Kanki.
Atma vidya vidyayas.
Atma. Vidaya.
Vidayatma.
The vidyayas.
Yes.
Saranarati paramasya.
Jalanarati paramasya.
Tasyamistu.
Tasyamestu.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Anybody want to try? I think Jagadish want to try. Jagadish, do you want to try? Okay, kids, you can practice. We'll send the recording, and then Mataji, Brinda want to try one more time?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Brinda, you
ఎంత
try.
108
We'll end the call, okay? Yes. See?
ఏం చేసినావు వంట
Yes, Brinda, you can go ahead.
Okay. Mataji, it's Balavrinda's turn.
Yes, Balavrinda, go ahead.
Mataji, what shloka can I say with you?
Yes, yes. You know the first sloka. You know almost
Sri
second.
Bhishma Vachadi Mati Upakalpita Vidishna Bhagavati Radha Bungave Vibhumne Sukam Kwachit
So sukham upagate. So sukham upagate.
Sukam Bhagave Kwachit Vihar Tum Prakutim Ubeyusi Yat Prab
Yadbhava. Yadbhava. Okay. Tribhuvana kamanam
I know this.
tamavanam.
Tribhunaha Kamalam Tamanavarnam Ravikara
Gaura. Ravikara Gaura Baram Baram Dadhane. Baram Baram Dadhane. Ravikara Gaura Baram Baram Dadhane.
Ravikara.
All the kids you also can try, okay, in this sloka. Ravikara Gaura. Brinda, go ahead.
Ravikara Gora
Baram Baram Dadane.
Varam
Baram Dadane.
Dadame
Bapur Alaka.
Vapurala
Kulavrita Nanabzam.
Pulakit Nazam
Nanabzam.
Nadajam
Kulavrita Nanabzam.
Kulaveta
Nanabzam. Vijaya Sakheratir.
Jaya Jagero
Astu me anavadya.
Jaya Jagero. Okay, thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Okay, kids. You want to try next two also with Brinda?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, you can practice apni. Other kids also they can follow who are confusing. Okay. Yudi turagarajo.
Yudhi Kiragalajo
Vidumra visvak.
Vidumra Vishwak
Kacha lulita.
Vaja Lalita
Srama bharya.
Samavaya
Alankritasye.
Alangidasya
Mama nisita sarair.
Mamanusita Sarai
Vividyamana.
Prividyamana
Swachi bilasat.
वाचिल विलासास
प्रवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा
प्रवजे सुकृष्णात्मान
सपदि सखी वचो
सबरे खिलाजो
सखी बचो सपदि
बचो।
सखी बचो
सबरे खिलाजो
निशम्य मध्ये
निजाम्य माजे
निज परायोर
निज पलालो
बलयोरथं निवेश्य
पलायो तमनी वेश्य
स्थितवती
ऋषिता वत्ति
स्थितवती
ऋषिता
परसैनिकायुरक्षना आयुरक्षना
आयो रक्षणा
हृतवती पार्थ
क्रीडावती पार्थ
सखेरतिर्ममस्तु
सकीर्णति ममास्तु
Okay, and this is today's sloka. Everyone can repeat, okay? Devahita pritana
देवहिता पितना
kam niriksha
इदं निवेश्य
sojanavadhat
दोषानवदात्
vimuksya dosa buddhaya buddhaya
बुद्धया
kumatim aharad
ओमदं आहरा
atma vityayas
विद्या
saranarati
शरणहारति
paramasya tasya mestu.
परमासुरस्य मेस्तु
Okay, all the kids, you can nicely you can practice in the class also. You will get slowly. No worry, you till the time you get, we will repeat. Okay, you don't need to worry. We'll
Thank you, Mataji. Can we do our Vaishnava
Kalpataruvesya.
Vipasana?
Dubhayev cha Patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Bye.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Mataji. Bye.
Hari Bol.